Good day, how are you?
Auntie Amara, I'm fine.
This one you came to my house. I hope all is well.
Auntie Amara, I am fine. Auntie Amara, I actually came to see you. Is brother back?
He's not back yet.
Hey! Auntie Amara, hey! If I tell you what happened today, if I tell you what happened today as I was coming back from somewhere, you will not believe it.
I don't understand. What happened? What happened? Tell me.
Auntie Amara. Imanum. Ijoma. Aburomo onya asere. Oda ademu manono. If not the way you've been helping me in this village, I will not bother to tell you this.
Ijoma, I know. Please go straight to the point. What happened? I want to know.
Auntie, as I was coming back from somewhere, hey, I saw Akwadi and Nena seriously fighting. They were busy blowing their head like this. Hey, Auntie, do you know why they were fighting?
I don't know. What happened?
Auntie, they were fighting over your husband.
Yes! Wait, my own husband?
Auntie, they were fighting over your husband. Akwadi said that Nena is trying to snatch your husband. Your own husband away from her.
So Akwadi is still seeing my husband after all the warning I gave to her. Hey, Akwadi na job open at this village. Hey, and this Nena, who is she? I want to know. I want to know. Get on your ha!
Auntie, now what's last though? You're following my hand. Auntie, you don't know Nena. You don't know that stupid Nena. Let Nabude's daughter, the popular palm wine tapper.
Oh. Cheru, Nena. Neneka. Hey. Please, do you know their house? Because you will take me there right now. Ha!
It's always here Naruno Buddha. I know their house.
I dey shame for you. And when you don't do anything no good, you won't begin to spread like python. I dey shame for you. I dey shame for you. You dey go fight for person wey don't marry, married man. Now you dey go fight for. Everybody dey laugh us. Married person. Suppose they cry. I dey shame for you.
Then you will go weki. You will go weki. Just look at you. Look at yourself.
They suffer to put food for table and they sell ice cream. They fight for married. Mama, my blood they hot. I beg. Make I go sell this cold ice cream. Whether that one go cool me down small. And the shame. And the shame.
Your fight with Akwadi is everywhere. You have ended bringing shame to this family. Thank you very much. Thank you. Man, if forget, I'm not here.
Nena, what were you doing with Uguna when you know Akwadi is his mistress?
I know now. I know you will side her. No, you will leave your own blood sister and side a stranger. Is she not your friend?
Etiko. Why won't I support her? No, tell me, why won't I support her? We are in this game together. We know who belongs to who. And you still went. Hi. Nena, you shouldn't have done that. This is an act of betrayal.
Guinea betrayer. Guinea betrayer. She was the one that betrayed me, not me. Yes. After all, I met Ugonna first before her. Because her name is Akwadi. She thinks she can outsmart me. Bah. I have come to take what belongs to me. And I'm here to stay forever. Enolia, this is your problem. Go on.
This is your problem. I'm so disappointed in you.
I am disappointed in you. Because of my boy. Akwadi, I know you can hear me. This fight, we will complete it. Yes, so it must continue. Idiots.
No. Abigail, don't lie to me. I mean, don't even try to lie to me. Are you trying to tell me that you do not know that your stupid sister Nena has been sleeping with my Ugonna?
Akwadi, how would I keep such a thing from you if I knew about it? Don't you trust me? Was it not yesterday I told you about the strange call she's been receiving? But she never told me who the caller was.
Abigail, you are lying to me. Look me in the face and tell me that you did not know what has been going on. You see that your sister? You see that your stupid sister Nena? She has touched the tail of a sleeping lioness and she's going to get it real hot with me. Anyway, the one I gave her yesterday is just the tip of the iceberg. What I will say to Nena in this village, she will not be able to explain it. What's the meaning of that? Nena dares to go close to my man. Mma why are paints? Mma why is what TV you and then kill it off ma. Useless idiot. Hey, Ashawo.
I will be a liar if I told you I am not shocked by Nena's action.
You will be a liar. I am very, very bitter. Anyway, considering the embarrassment I got the last time, Nena will get it hot. I'll wait for Nena. I will deal with Nena. My Ugo Nena gives me money. The only man that takes good care of me in this village. Everyone knows about it. I have received so many insults from the wife. Lots of insults just because of Ugonna. And Mama. No problem.
See, I am totally against what she did. But please, I am begging you to calm down. See, we can settle this amicably amongst us.
Chief advocate. Advocate, because she's your sister.
No.
Now you are begging me. I know full well that you have been encouraging her to sleep with my Ugonna. Maggie, Manya, Uruga
I'm not supporting.
Nena, why? Just look at what she has brought upon herself. She's very lucky she was not at home when Ugonna's wife came. And now she wants to bring enmity between Akwadi and I.
Any work she see, she go do and go. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, no game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all. Uriyama na hustler, Uriyama no the rest, Uriyama no the tire. She dey work more than a man, she no get time for men, she dey hustle all the way. School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am? Money for the feeding, na who go bring the money? School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am? Money for the feeding, na who go bring the money? Oh, come back. Uriyama no the tire, Uriyama no the doll, Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do and go. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do.
Shame on you. What have you gotten from him, Ashawo? You're not ashamed of yourself. So you have the guts to stab me at the back.
When you
Shut up,
when you
finish
finish shouting, when you finish shouting,
I don't want to talk to you.
You get out.
You are a very foolish
When
idiot.
you are done
You
talking,
stab me at the back. What right do you have? Are you mad? How dare you go to my man?
Help you at the
Are
back.
you mad?
Are you
mad?
You stole him
You
from
will
me.
settle this conflict.
He was my man.
You will
before
tell me
you
why you have to
stole
do that.
him.
You say me begin.
Do what?
So why would I have to
He was my man before you stole him.
Ashawo!
And for your information, you will never see him.
You are a
again.
foolish idiot.
It is done and dusted.
Shut up.
Hey, shut up.
Nne na-akpọgo my integrity na n'obodo a. So, My Ugonna abandoned me because of that useless idiot. Of all the men that I'm dating in this village, Ugonna is the only reasonable man that gives me good money. And this idiot has to do this to me? Mbam. Akwadi, I will not take this one. Akwadi, you won't take it, oh. I will not take it. No matter what it takes, I am going to get my Ugonna back. I must. Okay, Bunka.
I hope there is no problem.
Mama, there is no problem. I am here because I've chosen to be here.
My daughter, please, I want to use this opportunity to talk to you, please.
Talk to me.
Please, I want you to live a new life. Amend your ways. Become one. Change your character. Stop. Waywardness will not fetch you anything. Please, my daughter. I beg you. You know, why I'm saying this thing? Akarante manti anogi. Mbage ebupu isi ya na nti esorola. Biko nwam. My daughter, amakwa mi ihe nje ekwu ya o. Maka akuna na akwa nwa na nka o. Biko.
Mama, what is the meaning of that? Wait, what is the meaning of this thing you just said? Are you indirectly calling me a prostitute? So why are you telling me akuna na akwa nwa na nka? What's my business with that? Ocho akuna cho okwa nwa ocho yakwana. Where basarum afamba akwade. Ama where basarum na akuna? Biko.
Why would I call you akuna? I only use the proverb on you.
Don't use such proverb on me again. You cannot use a good proverb on me. Oh, nkenda akuna kige use. What does it mean? I mean, what does it signify? Mama chokwa mi o. Eba no go this what when please. I don't want anybody to add to my sorrow right now. Please.
The most important thing is that the message has been passed to you. Imaraso iso nikwe. Me makwa na aso iso na patagi. Kuchago.
Mama, it is good you are leaving now because as it is right now, I don't want anybody to disturb me. I want to be left alone. Piko. Yebe.
Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not warn you.
Hey! Nenna. Hi!
Madam, we are here because of your daughter, Akwade. Where is she?
My daughter? Yes, your daughter. My name is Inspector Jane from the area command. Please, can we see her?
Where is she?
Where it hasn't gotten to this extent now. Beacon,
Officers, please. We are wasting time here. This is not why we are here. Please, let her go and fetch her daughter. I know that girl very well. She might see us and then run away. Please, go and fetch your daughter.
Madam, go and call your daughter. Go and call her. Where is she? Call her.
Please.
Call her. Be fast. Where is she?
She's not in.
Hey. I said it. I told you. That girl is a criminal. So, she has run away through the backyard, right? Hey, Akwade.
Don't worry, madam. She will not run forever. Don't worry. This is an invitation letter from the area command. As soon as she returns, give her this letter. Your daughter should report
to the police station within 24 hours of receiving this letter. Let her not fail to do so. Do you hear me?
Do you hear that?
Yes, officer.
Don't worry, madam, we'll get her.
Children of for nowadays, they know they keep heading for house. Etinye ba, every day if I'm not there. So I go.
Wait. Can you imagine? Who is after you? Amara to Meke. That stupid Amara had the guts to call police for me. In my own house.
Ugonna's wife?
Yes. I saw them through the window coming into my compound. Where was Ben Johnson?
But that woman's pepper body is too much. Why would she go to that extent?
I don't know. Very stupid woman. Because of a man, no.
This is a big trouble. You have to be very careful.
She cannot do me anything. I am very, very smart. It's not because of her husband. One woman can never be enough for one man. Men are polygamous in nature. And if the husband comes again, I will give him. I trust you. Collect the money. I'm be okay.
Where are they coming from? But wait. Where are you going to now?
I don't have a destination. I don't have anywhere I'm going in particular, but I'll just be hanging around there. So I will call you.
I'll call you to know.
Leave me! You should be ashamed of yourself, Ugonna. I am totally disappointed in you.
I'm sorry. Wow, is that because it will never happen again.
I am not begging you to stop. You see all those girls? They will suffer for the rest of their lives. Yes, they will suffer.
I take all the blame. Wow, I said it will never happen again.
God will judge you. My God in heaven will judge you. What have I gained ever since I married you? Only heartbreak. Heartbreak, Ugonna. You know what? Tomorrow morning I am leaving your house. You can go back to those girls. I don't care. You can go back to them. Please don't.
Amara, please, you can't do this to me.
So, what are you planning to do? If he doesn't give me the money, he will not see me.
I don't dey go. Because every minute now, talk now. Make I no come back, can't find anybody. No movement. No movement zone. Go for. They no go ahead. They no go ahead. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Wait, now wait till she tell people this.
Please, I'm sorry about my wife's action last time, okay?
It's fine, baby. It's not your fault, I understand.
I know.
So, where are we going to?
Look, I just wanted to get out of town and, catch some fun.
Okay. We don't have to waste too much time.
Okay.
No, my sister is around.
It's alright. Can we go now?
From the village to the city, if I not children of for nowadays, they know they keep heading for house. Every day, if I not
Nana! Abigail! Nana! I know say they hear me. Nana! Abigail! Where is second prodigal? Whistle for an do na whistle for an whistle for a makeup. I use God name. Take am beg una. Papa we don't die. I take am beg una. The money, my hard-earned sweat. Somebody don't go where I keep am for inside room. We comot 2,000 inside. I no go fit shout. I no want any trouble. The person comot the 2,000 now. May just bring her come outside. Nana. I don't want any problem at all. That was mama don't come. I beg mama thank you. Make you they come.
What's I don't carry your money now. I don't even see them. I know where they keep her. Carry me. I don't know. What is it? What happened?
Somebody go my room. Tip 2,000. Go my room. Tip 2,000 from the money where I keep there. Hard-earned sweat. And if you talk anything now, or you do your mouth like this, I go stand up here. I go slap you. This person when you see when sit down here, so my spit no be ordinary spit. Na venom. Na snake spit. If I slap you finish, I go open your eye. I go spit inside. I go spit inside if you make me best now.
Your money is missing in this house.
Yes, 2,000 naira.
Mama, no see them.
I go just stand up there and I go match them my 10 naira from here. I go slap you.
But sister, why should we steal your money?
Search her well. Even that's her tight. Search.
Sister, my hands are clean.
Let her search.
Sister, my hands are clean.
She said I go slap you now. You don't get stroke. Your BP don't high now. Your hand don't straight. You don't get stroke.
Sister,
I go slap you. I go slap you now.
Sister, you want? Sister, no. Sister, you want like?
You don't get stroke. You don't get stroke.
Hey! Thief!
They don't have the money.
So all these men at your phone, they can't give you 2,000.
No, I don't have the money.
You don't know. He grew legs and wings.
You don't know. Thief.
Thief.
Shut up.
Who they do that one for?
Thief.
As you are they do friendship bridge. You are still broke.
Go there. Don't speak to my body, abeg. Go that side. Go shut up.
Sister, imagine.
Go that side. Go that side.
You be the dead person and me.
Shut up your mouth. This place where you stand here now, don't be baptism class.
No, man.
Go that side.
I don't say you done the thief, oh. So you be thief. You gather my steal her money. The day they accuse me, abi. Mama, na me they accuse her I carry her money. Let's see how. You be thief, yeah. The thief, oh.
Mama, can't you?
Thief.
So you know these men they follow. You didn't give them money. Now when I even disturb you now, mama. No be this reverend father we stand there now. Thief. Huh?
Sorry. Count it. Is it complete now?
And that one they do you now. I be that the sweeter they don't pour for all over my head.
Sorry. Just count your money.
Thief. Thief.
Yama no te tire. Yama no te tol. Yama no te tire. Any work she see, she go do am. As far as the money go come, to put you for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all. Your man a hustle like your man no the rest. Your man no the tire. She dey work more than men. She no get time for men. She dey hustle all the way. House renting now who go pay am?
Hey, Mama, that reminds me. Have you asked Aku if she has gone to the police to report or not?
No. Huh? I've not even seen her since today.
Then, you have to ask her. What we are talking about is police invitation.
Papa, Mama, I smell trouble. If Aku allows those police people come to this house again, it will be very hot for her. And nobody should call me to bring money for any police case.
Who is talking? Who is talking about your one man? Do you have shish? Mechanic, I don't take it.
In 1 naira. So what are you talking? Who asked for your money?
I was only asking, Mama, if you've gone to the police to report yourself.
What do you mean by that? If you truly meant well for me, you would have come to me to ask me directly. You know about Akwasili. What can Akwasili? If no one kita. K4.
Akwade, what we are discussing here has not called for quarrels.
It has, Papa. It has called for quarrel because if it hasn't, you people will not be having meetings behind me. You don't do that.
Michuamo, shut up your mouth. Who is making meetings? Akwade, we are here discussing about the invitation the police gave to you. They delivered a letter since 3 days ago. Nobody have seen you. We are just asking, we are just discussing if you have gone to police to report.
It is none of your business. Mama, Magua Bisio, Mayu, Papa, it is none of your business if I've gone to the police or not, Obasarun. Since you have decided to make me the topic of your gossip in this house, it's none of your business. When you open a burobia, every aboki, carry your kettle. When you open a burobia, no neighbor. That's silly. Nonsense.
It's alright, no problem. But Papa, Mama, let me sound it the very last time. If anything happens to her, nobody should call me. Oh. Nobody should call me. Very soon. It's no problem. You will get it very soon. You think it out, you cannot. Don't worry. I will be here, I will be looking at your house. Alright. No problem.
Woo! Shame on you, useless son of Amadio. Nobody should call me. Enemies of progress.
Akwade! Ego, you see your daughter? She is taking more than required in this house. And if anything should happen, nobody should call me because I will not come out. Just like my son said. I will not.
Nai, you have to take it easy with Akwade. She's still your daughter. Biko, I will talk to her later. Biko Nai.
I should calm down. Then she will not continue to insult me, even in my own house. You are telling me to calm down.
Now you just have to take it easy with her.
Ego, I am disappointed in you. Telling me to calm down.
Oh my God. I gave you able.
You didn't miss me.
I miss you. My best no.
Welcome. Hey, thank you, Mama. I hope you're fine.
I'm very well.
Mama, I was so happy when I met her yesterday hawking ice cream. I regretted ever sending her out of my house.
It's alright.
Roma is a very nice girl, very hardworking.
Thank you, Mama. She is indeed.
Yes, Mama, you trained her well.
It's God, though.
Pack your things. I'm taking you back to the city tomorrow morning. I'm not joking. I'm serious. And I have a surprise for you. Yes, I have a job for you in my company.
No, I ain't go get K-leg.
K-leg?
I never bring person before.
Don't worry. I have plans of enrolling you through evening program. Then you will combine it with your work.
Now you have an honorable job.
Yes, Mama. So I have to run now.
Thank you.
And I will see you when I come to the office. Thank you. I hope you're taking very good care of your mother. Yes. Mama, let me run. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Uriyama no the tire. Uriyama no the doll. Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do am go. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say, what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, no game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all. Uriyama na hustler, Uriyama no the rest, Uriyama no the tire. She dey work more than a man.
For how long am I going to continue like this? Sleeping around with different men, including the married ones, because of money. None of these men that has been sleeping with me has asked for my hand in marriage. Am I not fooling myself? I am tired. I am honestly tired of this lifestyle. Look at Urioma. I heard that she's not doing very well in the city. Akwadi, I cannot continue like this. I honestly need to put a stop to all this. I need to put a stop to it. I think I should give my life to God. Let me give my life to Jesus Christ. I heard He's the author and finisher of our faith. And He will never, never forsake His own.
Mama, how's the body now?
Yeah, I'm not fine.
I know. Let me rush to church. I'm almost late for the service.
Okay. Please, if you're coming back, buy me any of the malaria tablets, please.
Okay, Mama. I just pray I remember. But don't worry. If I remember when I come, I'll buy.
Okay, instead of you to forget it, you better write it down somewhere so that you don't forget it. Biko.
I won't forget. I will pray for you.
Are you not going again? You're almost late for church.
Where?
Church. Are you not going again?
You're going to church?
You
Yes.
say what? Church?
Yes, Mama.
You're holding a Bible. Who gave it to you?
It's my Bible.
Eh?
I bought it yesterday.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
So can we go now?
Alright, Mama. I'm going to the church.
Oh, what about you? Are you not going today?
No way. I'm very sick.
You are healed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Let me go. I'll see you when I come back.
Are you sure we're really going to church?
Hey, Akwadi won Naga church. Hey, Chineke kele di kwara. Church. Akwadi.
I don't like this rubbish. Eh? How could he have called me out here when he knows he's not yet ready? And now I'm calling him, he's not even taking his calls.
There is another fellowship in heaven. Sister Abigail. Yes.
What is that you're holding and where are you coming from dressed like this?
The Word of God. The Bible. And I'm coming from the church.
Aku, please, I am not ready for jokes. Babe, can you imagine? Eh? I have been waiting here for the past 20 minutes for my, you know now, I have a date with him. And up till now, he's not here. And I'm calling him, he's not even taking his calls. Can you imagine?
Hello, babe, what's up?
I've been waiting here for you now. Hey. Why now? You'd have told me earlier. After waiting for you for the past 20 minutes. Okay, no problem. You'll see me there now. Okay, I'm coming. Babe, I'll see you later.
Listen, I need to tell you something, Abigail. Abigail, I need to talk to you, please. I know there is another fellowship in heaven. I know there is another.
Why did she want to see us?
My husband, I wouldn't know. Let's wait until she comes out.
Hey, Papa, Mama, you needed to see my sister today, Aku. During the church service, the way she was singing, praising God and kabashing. I was shocked. I was surprised. Could it be my sister? Hey.
Wait. Obiora. Are you telling me here that Aku went to the church?
Papa, ask Mama now. She came out with her Bible and said, let's go to the church. I was surprised. I was even telling her, I hope you are not taking me to go out to Bakayoko. I want to go to church.
Sorry, I kept you waiting. I was praying.
It's alright. Go ahead and tell us the reason you want to see us.
First and foremost, I want to apologize to you all for all my crossed misconduct in the past. I did terrible things that hurt you and Mama, and I want to say I'm sorry. Papa, Mama, Obiora, please, you all should find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Akwade, wait. Are you the one telling me this? Yeah?
Yes, Papa, I am the one saying it. And exactly the reason I called for this meeting is to let you all know that, in truth, I have chosen the path of Christ. I have given my life to Him. I have accepted Him as my personal Lord and Savior. Yes.
Nah, it's again. Can you please repeat what you have just said now?
Yes, Mama. I have thrown my past life away and have decided to follow Jesus.
Hey, the Lord that answered by fire, you will be my God. The Lord that answered by fire, you will be my God. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. You that changed my daughter. You that have made my daughter to speak like this. Oh God, may your name be glorified. Hey!
I want to ask you, how did you come about this? Did anyone preach to you?
No one did. As a matter of fact, Papa, I can't tell how it all started. But I believe so much in my heart that there is a strong force behind this. And this strong force is a positive one.
Cool down now, relax. Ako, my sister, I want to ask a question. Are you trying to tell us that you've given your life to Christ? No more Bakayoko.
Nine. Stop that, Obiora.
Mama, let him speak. He has the right to. Ask me questions.
Mama, let me ask my sister now because I know her very well. Are you trying to tell us no more pion, no more selling of bekus and at least you're not going to fight
That was
again?
in the past. I can never repeat such again. Never.
Real?
Obiora. No more Bakayoko. Obiora.
Not said boy.
Papa, the meaning of Bakayoko is when somebody steals your snuff. Yes.
A miracle working God. I thank you. I thank you for you have answered my prayer concerning my daughter.
Please, I want us to hold our hands in unity and say a short prayer. Chineke imere di mao, ebube imere di mao, Chioma imere di ma, ebube imere di ma, ebube imere di ma, ebube.
Hey, what is this?
Good morning.
Is this you?
May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Osnogen.
How are you?
Abigail!
Yes?
Abi, please come. Now, Sabatagoka. Yeah, put it in now. I'll Sabatagoka. Hey!
Akwadi. Abigail. I've come to see you. Please, can you see
You again with this kind of dressing. And you're carrying a Bible.
I said I brought good news for you people. Can you sit down?
I'm fine. No need to stay. Go ahead. Tell us the news.
Well, I've come to tell you that I have thrown my past life away and have begun a new life in Christ Jesus.
Yeah!
Almost 3 lines. Aku, what did you drink?
I drank nothing. And I mean what I just said.
Akwadi, I have always known you to be a very good comedian. But Biko, it is too early for this now. Let me see. Toya, go ahead. What's up? Tell us about your new car. Stop all this rubbish. Or do you want me to start telling you? Because I got a new one yesterday.
This is not funny, please. I know you might be wondering what is wrong with me. But the truth is that I am fine. Nothing is wrong with me. Frankly speaking, I can't even tell how it all started. I can't.
No, like this madness, it takes time.
Abigail, don't do that. I am perfectly fine. I am fine.
You're not fine. This is a sign of madness. This is madness. Ne, I advise you go to a psychiatric hospital now that it's not too late. If you enter market, you don't finish.
Enough of the joke. Listen to me, please. I want you to throw your evil lives away and follow Jesus Christ. Join me. Let's follow our Lord Jesus. He is the way, the truth, and life. No one goes to the Father except through Him. Listen to me, my sisters. It will do you good. Please.
Abigail. Nke a pụgo n'egwu. N'ebe anyị si na akene karịa nkwaka ọ bụrụla ala.
Meet me inside when you're done talking with her.
Now I'm slapping you.
Somebody cannot joke with you, this girl. Listen to the sermon. No?
Abigail, please. Listen to me. I know you are more mature than Nena. There is no benefit in this kind of life. I will tell you. I mean, I have lived this kind of life before and I've thrown all of them away. It doesn't do any good. Please, my sister, let us live a worthy life. A life filled with emulation. Please.
Aku, enough. Enough of all this. Wait. So, you're actually serious with this? Okay.
Abigail.
It is obvious you're done enjoying your sugar daddies. And suddenly, you repented. As for me and my sister, we never start. We never even enjoy anything. So you know what? Carry your new lifestyle to your father's house, And when you go, have a nice day. Oh?
Abigail, don't do this. You have to... Abigail!
Every day you find on that so I go my I pass you go on a new if you go here ni madness oh yeah na go children of nowadays they know they keep heady for house from the village to the city see if I not children of nowadays they know they keep heady for house
Fast, Uche, fast. We don't have time. Hey, you have to try, my husband. Oh, please, you have to try. Oh, you don't want anything to happen to you. Fast.
If you go here, oh yeah, na go
God, what have I done? Why me? Ugonna has killed me, oh. I warned him, but he refused to listen to me. Hi! I am innocent. I am innocent. Hi!
What's going on? Who is Tamara crying like a baby on the road? Auntie! Auntie Tamara! I'm fine. In fact, Obiora, I am not fine. I'm not fine.
What is the problem?
Obiora, you will not believe it. Huh?
What happened? Talk to me. What happened?
Obiora, you remember that my auntie? That my good auntie, Auntie Amara.
Gona's wife?
Yes.
So what happened to her?
Obiora, if I tell you, you will not believe it. You will not believe it.
Alright, no problem. Since you don't want to tell me what happened, then keep it to yourself.
See, Obiora, it's not as if I don't want to tell you what happened. But this is too hard for me to say.
Like I said, if you're not ready, or if it is too hard, too big for you to say it out, then keep it to yourself. Huh? Alright.
Obiora, are you going?
Oh, should I wait for you? When you don't want to tell? I'm coming from home, I'm going home.
Hey! Oh no, Obiora, come back, I will tell you. Hey. Obiora, come back, please, wait for me. Hi, Obiora.
So are you ready to talk?
Obiora, this is very heavy.
Where's Mama?
She's inside. I hope all is well. Why is your face like that? Mama? What is it? Why are your faces like this? I hope no problem.
I'm speechless. It's highly ridiculous for me. You'll be alright. Tell her the news.
What news?
On my way back home from the farm, I saw Ijoma and she was lamenting bitterly. So I was forced to ask her what the problem was. And at first she was reluctant to tell me, but later she opened up and gave me the bad news.
Bad news? What bad news?
Break the news for her.
It's Ogona Amara's husband.
Ogona?
Yes, Ogona.
What is wrong with him?
Ijoma said he is HIV positive.
Eh? I was actually on my way to your house.
But are you alright? This one your face.
I'm not alright. I'm just trying to comport myself. I'm not fine.
What is it? Did you see God in your dream?
Nena, it's not funny.
Talk now, talk.
Okay, my brother gave me a very bad news about Ugonna.
And what about him?
He said that Ijoma told him why he was coming back to the house. That Ugonna is HIV positive. Yes. As I am not myself.
Ijoma again. That gossip. That's pim. All she does in this village is just go about saying what she doesn't know. Please, I cannot believe anything that comes out from her mouth.
You have to believe this one, Abigail. It is true. I had to make inquiry. I found out that Ugonna has been in the hospital for 5 days now. He's been hospitalized. And it was in the hospital that they discovered that he's HIV positive.
I'm finished.
I have to go to the hospital now and run a test. I need to know my status. Ne, are you coming with me? Are you coming?
And do what? I'm not reacting.
Okay.
Am I reacting?
Okay, fine.
What is it now?
I think you should follow her to the hospital.
And do what? Respect yourself, or what do you mean? Follow her to the hospital for what?
At least just go and know your status first. Just go.
Abigail, Gregu, stop it though. What do you mean by that? What are you insinuating?
I have to go to the hospital now and run a test. I need to know my status. Ne, are you coming with me?
And I think you should follow her to the hospital. At least just go and know your status first. Just go. Why are you crying? Huh? Don't you think you should go for the test? At least so that your mind will be at rest.
Abigail, I'm afraid. I can't.
I know. But I think it's necessary for you to find out your HIV status. See, I can go to the hospital with you if you want. Pick up. You don't have to cry now, please.
Nina, Mama, are you alright? Yes, Mama, I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. Have you heard the news making around the village?
News?
Yes.
No, we've not heard any news.
That young man, Ugonna, the one that the wife came to warn Nena about the husband the other time, I heard he has contacted HIV/AIDS.
Huh?
Yes.
Hey!
But Nena, I hope you do not sleep with the young man. Because since I heard that news, I've been very, very uncomfortable. I've not been myself. Eh? What can I do?
Why are you looking like that? You didn't even tell me you were coming. I wanted to surprise you. I knew that once you see me, you will shed tears.
But looking good.
Oh, never mind.
Wow.
I'm so happy to see you. I know. Emeka, please come. Come and sit. Come and sit down. I wanted to surprise you. I know you'll be very surprised. How's everybody? Everybody is fine. Yeah. I hope you take your mama.
Very well.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. How are you?
Looking very good.
Thank you. Okay, enough of that. Let her sit.
Sit. I'm very happy to see all of you. Here. Agini. What is wrong with her? Why is she quiet?
Just leave her. I'll tell you later. Don't mind her.
Come here. Come and sit. I may see you. Come and sit. Prodigal, come and sit. Hey.
You're looking so fat.
Thank you. How's everybody?
Looking so fat.
What do I get for you? You're looking so surprising. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy, surprised, all of them combined together.
Well, it's nice. We're here.
Children of nowadays, yo. They keep heading for house, yo. From the village to the city, Sieba, Etinyeba, Ifano.
Hey. Otu Akamsije. My past life has landed me into HIV positive. What have I done to myself? What do I even tell my people? Is it not better that I'm dead than being alive?
Children of nowadays, yo. They keep heading for house, yo. From the village to the city, Sieba, Etinyeba.
Akwadi.
Is this you?
Yeah, this is me. Full flesh and blood.
You have changed. Where have you been all this while?
Akwadi, as you can see, I have not been in this country for the past 2 years. I left this country 2 years ago and I came back just few days in this village so I can commence my traditional marriage. You don't know about it? Of course, I'm getting married to Rioma, Nena's sister. Yes, we're about to get married. You see, when I came back from the States, after some few period of time, we met, we started dating, and we're about to get married. I must tell you, she's doing marvelously well in the city. Well, I'll invite you for the traditional marriage when the time comes. Okay? All right. Why is your face like this? Are you okay?
Akwapasio so agomailio. Apasiegu onanuku. Ifugo iye nine madu nemena. Oya na kogwolo ya noa. Children of nowadays, yo. They keep heading for house, yo. From the
Chineke me wo ya o, iya ho nyere mmadụ omume. Jehova me wo ya o, ya ho nyere mmadụ omume. Chineke me wo ya o, iya ho nyere mmadụ omume. Chineke me wo ya o, ho nyere mmadụ omume. Chineke me wo ya, iya ho nyere mmadụ omume. Chineke me wo ya o.
My boy, sister.
Oh, she's resting inside. You know she needs to rest because she'll be leaving very early tomorrow morning. Besides, you know they came to tell us about their plans to get married. Oh, you for man on one. Can't you see the way I'm rejoicing?
So, have they fixed a date?
No, not yet. But very soon they will decide on that. Oh, very soon.
Mama, I am worried about Nenna. I think we should involve sister in this. At least she can convince her to go for a test.
You don't need to bother with your mom on this. You don't need to distract her from her job. Just leave her, Biko. You know she's planning to get married, so let's leave her. Mom, Biko, don't spoil this my mood now. It will kill joy. I will talk to Nenna myself. She's my daughter. I know how to go about it. By tomorrow I will talk to her.
Mama, you're talking as if you don't know your daughter. Nenna will not listen to you. The only person she will listen to is sister. Let's involve sister in this.
Mbana, let's not bother with your man. Don't distract her from her job. She's planning to get married. Don't distract her. Just leave her. I know how to talk to Nenna. She's my daughter. Don't worry. But were you able to hear from Akwade?
No. I'll go to her house tomorrow morning.
Don't worry. I will talk to Nenna myself. Oh? Don't worry. Allow me to enjoy this day. This is my time. She's getting married finally. Don't spoil it. Hey! Jehovah me wo ya o. Chineke me wo ya. Iya ho nyere mmadu omume. Chineke me wo ya o. Iya ho nyere mmadu omume. Jehovah me wo ya o. Iya ho nyere mmadu omume. Chineke me wo ya o. Iya ho nyere mmadu omume. Hey, Ebube! Jehovah me wo ya o. Onye si ka ọ bụrụ ya.
Good morning.
Good morning, my good wife. You sleep well?
Yes, I'm fine. I did.
Have you seen your daughter this morning?
No, I've not seen her.
Ego Iwo.
No.
Our daughter, Akwade, did not do her midnight prayer as she used to.
Yes, Nai. She's not feeling fine. I think she's sick.
I am troubled.
How? Why?
See, I am concerned about the result of the test Akwade did yesterday.
Nai, wait to Obi. And nothing is wrong with her. Our daughter cannot lie to us. You know she's not born again.
Papa, Mama, Obiora, I'm so sorry I lied to you people about the HIV test. I am actually HIV positive. I'm so sorry, I cannot face the shame. I can't. So, I have decided to end it this way. I just want to end it this way.
There is nothing you will tell me. Mama, I want to die. Hey! Abigail! Mama, leave me now. Let me get through myself.
Listen to me. It's not the end of time. I want to end of it.
Mama, you have Abigail. Let me die.
No.
Mama, the shame is too much. No. Leave me now. Mama, Abigail, you never goes to Kwame. How you say you can leave me? I'm sorry. Abigail, I want to die. No, I want to die. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Chineke lebe nwa agbara ga atọkwanumo ngolo do nwa bihe ka elo do nwa biya nwa mbikodo. Why would I even get to list that news to her? I mean, you should have waited for me to handle it. Hey! Chimo! Mama, I know you people ran tests when I was unconscious. Yes. Mama, tell me I don't have anything to me.
Calm down. No one has said anything. I don't even know whether they ran the test or not. Nothing yet. So relax. Calm down.
Dikeh, please, tell me the truth. Oh, I know you are the one that will tell me the truth. Because what did the doctor say my status is? Did he say I'm reactive?
Hey, Oyarima. Oh, come here. Uriyama no the tire. Uriyama no the doll. Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do a move. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, no game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all. Uriyama na hustle like, Uriyama no the rest, Uriyama no the tire. She dey work more than a man, she no get time for men, she dey hustle all the way. School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am? Money for the feeding, na who go bring the money? School fees in na who go pay am? House rent in na who go pay am? Money for the feeding, na who go bring the money? Oh, come here. Uriyama no the tire. Uriyama no the doll. Uriyama no the tire. Any work she see, she go do a move. As far as the money go come, to put your food for table. She say what man do, woman can do. What man do, woman can do. Any work at all, you're my good. Chop it down, no game over. When I do my work, I get my money. I dey hustle for my job, no time to dull at all.